everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go and get right into this. So as you can see, it comes with this robotic vacuum. It also does have some attachments where you can actually shave your dog, brush their hair out and everything, and it sucks out the hair as you are doing that. But let's go ahead, open this up and see how it actually works though. So this is a app connection. It's like a quick guide on how to download the app and then set everything up. It goes over it step by step, and then the vacuum will actually map out your house so it knows where to go. It has like a laser on here, and then you can also the vacuum does empty out this as well. This thing works great. I've actually been using it for about a week now because I wanted to get a really good feel, but let me go ahead and show you how it works. As you can see, it is mapping out my house in this video, and it only took like about maybe 10 minutes to completely map out my house. We have 3 border collies and 2 Pomeranians, so we get a ton of hair on the floor, and this thing has been able to hold up. I did, like the first vacuum, I did have to empty it out a couple times because it went behind stuff that we have not swept under, and it got plugged up with hair. There was so much hair, but since then, running it every day, it's actually kept up with the hair, which is quite amazing considering how much border collies actually shed. As you can see, this is actually doing a zigzag motion, so it's going to get every part of the floor. It also does come with the mop, which I'm not using on this video because I do have such a big area that it will not like completely clean everything. I'd have to keep refilling it up, and for me it's just easier to mop it. But this is great for vacuuming for me and my needs. If you did have a smaller area, it would work fine. And you can see it has no problem switching from the wood floor to the carpet. This is Jade, and she absolutely loved the vacuum. Like, she was turning over on her belly to get it done, and she kept coming back for seconds. But what this does is it combs it and it sucks the hair, and inside the vacuum part, like, you'll have a little area where there's a vacuum bag, and so it'll suck all the hair in there. I was actually able to vacuum all 3 of the dogs and then cut the Pomeranian's hair, and I only had to change it out once, and it was a ton of hair. So if you want to auto empty it, you're just going to press home and then that.
Auto empty dirt.
And it's going to suck into this. So we are going to be cutting her hair. We tried to cut it with scissors and it didn't work out, but let's go ahead and see how we can clean her up. Let me go ahead and turn it on. As you can see, it's actually sucking up the hair as we're shaving her, so it is zero mess. And normally it's really messy when I shave our Pomeranians. Okay, so I'm going to be cutting her hair as well because it's been hot. This is how they turned out. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.